Okay guys, I can't go live. I don't know why it says I have to download Chrome. I have downloaded Chrome, but whatever. So we're just gonna pretend that this is alive. So I'll just not edit it and just show you what I'm up to today. I am so excited. This is my first time making hot process soap alone, so thank you again, Anna. And I decided to double the batch. It's almost to trace. And I just combined everything like I did in that video, which I can probably link at the end. And I took a shower in between. My baby's napping. I really need to be cleaning the house. Oh my goodness. It's kind of crazy. But today I'm going to be adding geranium oil for the scent instead of lavender oil. Now it has a lot of the same properties as lavender oil. It smells so good. This is rose geranium oil, very similar to just rose essential oil, but that is actually very expensive. So geranium oil has a lot of good properties to it. So I think if you want to get started making soap, you might consider getting that as well. And plant therapy, I believe, is a very good source online that you don't have to become a member or anything like that. That's where I have gotten these. And I think when I think about decluttering, I've heard a lot of people telling stories of how they joined an MLM and wanted to have all of these essential oils, but then, you know, life and everything, they don't use the essential oils. So this is a good way to use those up. And that's how I'm going to be using geranium oil. I mentioned it had a lot of good properties. One of them, like lavender, is antimicrobial. It's supposed to be good if you have skin issues like acne. It can be used if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. And so you do have to check things like that. Lavender's pretty safe. Geranium oil is safe, it seems to me. Do your own research. But if you look online, say precautions as well, because some things you should not use on, for instance, animals or babies, just check into it. So I have several that I've gotten for hormone issues and different things, geranium oil being one. It is good for female hormones if you have low progesterone, that sort of thing. And in any case, this isn't really about geranium oil, but I'm excited because I am making a double batch. Like I said, I'm going to be trying to do round soap bars this time. And it's, I mean, I don't know what the difference is. This time I used the Sam's Club Members Mark extra virgin olive oil. I think I could get 5 or 6 batches out of this. And the same ratios that were used in the last video, that's the Castile soap. All you need are those 3 things like Anna said, and then if you want to add an essential oil, the fat, which I'm using olive oil, and water, and the lye in the correct proportions. So yeah, it did not take very long, and I am so excited to be doing something I've always wanted to do that seems easy. And this is only after blending a little bit, and like I said, I took a quick shower. I'll also show you the soap that I cut in the last video. I keep walking by it. I keep, like, my hallway smells good like lavender. Yeah, it's my happy thing now. And you can see, you know, I don't have my face done or anything. I'm just whipping this together, trying to get things done before the baby wakes up. So it's not as intimidating as you might think if you've not felt like you could do even hot process soap. I recommend giving it a try. Have a buddy to watch the video with you. And another thing I'm going to be getting into, I will show you what I've thrifted for, and not at this time, in the future video. But so like Anna said, this takes 5 weeks to cure, and so I was timing it so that I can get this done as Christmas presents for whoever's lucky enough to get one. But in any case, I just think that if you are hesitating to try something new creatively, find somebody who knows what they're doing, bring them on board, or just, you know, watch enough YouTube videos where you feel confident enough to try it. I did watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I needed that friendship boost to get me to do this. But anyways, just thought I'd share. I'm so excited about my second batch and trying new shapes and different things like that. I think I was gonna sprinkle some lavender on top of the bar-shaped ones, or the rectangle-shaped ones. But yeah, like I said, this is really what I need to be focusing on. I dumped out the diaper bag and everything, and baby found toilet paper, and isn't Cody cute? He's so cute. He got a trim. You're so cute. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I've been feeling kind of low, and I just thought that, well, hey, if somebody else is having a bad day, I might as well hop on here and just encourage you that you can find the positive and the beauty and warm fuzzies if you just keep putting one foot in front of the other. Even if your house is a mess like mine, remember that 5 minutes matters, and just make sure that you're keeping your heart healthy and happy by doing creative things. That's what I do anyways. There's other ways, of course, but that's one of them that really works for me. And we should go on a walk today, huh, Cody? When the baby wakes up, maybe we'll go to the park. We'll go outside. What do you think? Think that'd be nice? You heard the word. Did you hear the word? So write in the comments below one way that you're going to challenge yourself creatively or conquer your day today. I'd love to hear it. It'll help me at least be encouraged to hear from some of you. Thank you for being here, and if you enjoy random looks into the real mess of my life, makeup free and everything, would you please give this video a thumbs up? Click the subscription box below if you haven't already. I think at 794 subscribers. If I get to 1,000, I can actually become monetized. That's not a main goal. I'm mainly here for creativity's purposes, and just to like keep myself going. And if I have a weekly deadline of putting out a video, then I'm not going to stagnate creatively and just use, oh, my house is too messy to do anything as an excuse. So yeah, and if you want to watch more videos, here's a playlist you might enjoy, and here's a video that YouTube thinks that you would like. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and thanks for joining me.